Keep ant bait stations tidy and secure so they remain effective and do not pose a hazard to children or pets. Start by choosing sealed bait designs that prevent liquid leakage and restrict animal access. Select stations with a low profile that sit flush to the surface so pets cannot easily flip them. Place stations on stable, level surfaces such as heavy ceramic tile, concrete thresholds, or under furniture legs that prevent tipping and isolate them from foot traffic. Monitor stations daily at first and then weekly, looking for signs of leakage, overflow, or bait removal, and wipe surfaces with a damp cloth using gloves to remove residue while avoiding solvent cleaners that can repel ants. Use solid or gel-based baits when possible because they hold shape and do not run if the station is knocked. Gels adhere to the interior of the station and reduce the chance of spills during transit or handling. If you must use liquid baits, double contain by placing the commercial station inside a shallow tray with raised edges to catch any drips and change the tray liner when it becomes soiled. For homes with curious children or many pets, install stations inside inaccessible cavities such as behind heavy appliances or inside sealed crawl spaces while still ensuring ventilation and periodic access for inspection. 3 common mistakes are using flimsy open trays that tip easily, placing stations in high traffic areas, and neglecting regular inspections. Open trays can spill when bumped and attract pets, so replace them with sealed units or secure them with non-permanent adhesive tabs that still allow removal for servicing. Putting stations in doorways or near toys invites accidental contact, so move them to quieter, stable spots and mark the location so household members avoid them. Ignoring inspections allows small leaks to become large messes, so set a recurring reminder to check bait integrity and clean up any residue immediately while wearing gloves and disposing of contaminated materials responsibly. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors and browse community feedback related to bait station installation and pest control practices. We connect contractors with homeowners seeking work and host a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and learn from each other.